Alright, so viewers, here we have another TAT Gulf Coast industrial ceiling fan. This one might be for sale, I'm not sure. I already have a few of these. They're good fans. There's our tag. Pretty good fan overall condition. Brand new, not scratched up or anything. Let's go ahead. Let's get that focused. Let's go on low. Fan runs good. There's a slight wobble. I think one of the blades might be a little heavier than the other two. Haven't investigated into it yet. Probably a little later. There's low speed. Go ahead and go to the medium speed. Somewhere around there. That's that wobble I was talking about. Let's go ahead and go on the high speed now. We typically call these UFO fans because the motor looks like a UFO saucer. It does take a little time to get up to speed. It's still in steel blades. You can tell there's quite a good amount of air. This is a 48-inch industrial ceiling fan. Going this way now. Like I said, I already have a white one that's in good condition, so I'm not too attached to this one, so I might be willing to sell it. I do have a brown one, but the brown one I have is completely rusted and stuff like that. It still works fine, but the whole thing's just the whole paint finish is gone. Wouldn't mind buying more brown ones of these. Seems like white is much more popular and easier to find. Probably the strangest feature about this fan is the upper canopy. It's quite odd. Looks like the top of a lava lamp almost. But like I said, overall these are very good performing fans. To give you an idea, that brown one I was talking about that was rusted through survived in the outdoor flea market for who knows how long. And all you do is give it some 80/40 and then kicked up right away. Alright, there we go. Thanks for watching.